Hi everybody. This quick hit video is reviewing the alignment tool within the Postalytics postcard and letter editor. The alignment tool is designed to help you quickly line up text boxes, images, and other elements within your Postalytics templates. I'm going to start by lining up everything off of this Postalytics logo. So I'm going to hover over that logo and press Shift, click, and then press Shift, click on the other elements that I want to line up with that logo. Come over to the alignment tool and then click on the left side align objects to objects. There we go. So we've lined up everything on the left hand side of that object. Now you can see that they're not distributed very well on a vertical basis. So I'm going to click vertical, which will space them out evenly. And so you can see the alignment tool is an easy way for you to align these things either to the template, where you can center, left justify, right justify, top, middle, bottom, or align other objects to objects. Left, middle, right, top, middle, bottom. You can distribute objects either horizontally or vertically. The shift click is the tool by which you select multiple elements, and then to deselect, just click elsewhere on the template. That's it.